Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable environment adaptive mode on the QCY Buds ANC wireless earbuds. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the QCY app, and then we're going to make sure that the earbuds are out of the case and have been paired to the app. And after that we're going to select device, press sound, and here you have environment adaptive. So down here, if you have noise cancelling selected, then you can enable the environment adaptive option. So let's just wait for this to process. And here, as you can see, you can enable or disable environment adaptive, and mine is at weak currently. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.